a very short sample introduction for students for online classes. Good morning, everyone. My name is Krishna. I am in 5th grade. I am new to this school. Basically, I belong to Meerut. I live in Shastri Nagar with my parents and grandparents. My father is an army officer and my mother is a teacher. My hobbies are reading and watering the plants. In my free time, I love to make shapes and patterns using Play Doh. I like to play badminton and learning to play tennis during lockdown. I like to watch TV cartoons Rudra and Shiva. I would like to become a soldier and serve the nation. That's all about me. I'm eagerly waiting to learn in the class. Thank you to all of you.